Boy, this is something you don't see too often anymore with modern stuff, is how bad valve guides used to wear years ago. Doing a set of heads here off a marine engine I'm working on. It's a 210 horsepower Crusader out of a 1970 Lyman 23 footer, and he just wants the valves on while the seats are sunk. It's kind of like Phil Collins in too deep. So I'm gonna have to put exhaust seats in it, which is common for unleaded fuel. But look how worn that exhaust guy is. Wow. I mean, that is absolutely. I'd say she's seen better days. I can't wait to see how the rest of this is. Okay, today's tech tip is when you're working on any Chevy or Ford or even Chrysler engine with an exhaust crossover like this, there's usually a metal shield that covers up the heat to try to keep the oil, because obviously in the lifter valley you've got oil spraying all up and down in here, and if it gets across that heat it's going to coke up, which it does anyway, but you're trying not to get any of that stuff into the oil pan. Well, anytime you hot tank or clean these, it's best to take this little shield off, and that is why. Look at all the stuff that could end up in the oil pump screen. Look at that. Good 1/4 inch thick at least. I'll try to get that in the oil pump screen and ruin your nice new motor or your nice new repair. So, today's tech tip, always remove those shields. Alright, this is the bad one. We'll see if she cleans up. Hey, not bad. We'll save another one. Born the 307. Finishing up the last 2 cylinders here on our 307. Getting ready to prime up our 307 here. Just picked up right away. All right, let's start her up. here's our latest, a 307 Chevy 1970 Lyman 23 Offshore, total overhaul, carburetor, oil pan. The Dupertronics ignition it, overhauled the transmission. Give it an old Chris shive. Sounds really good. Yeah, I bet this is a nice boat. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure it is. Hell yeah, baby, let's put her in the boat.